So hello.
Hello.
Start with your name and how you found being is part of Tangled Feet's Half-Life.
I'm Julie. I got into Tangled through my granddaughter, Caris. She asked me if I'd like to do it, and I wasn't absolutely sure, being my age and having never done anything like this before. So I went. I thought, right, if I don't like it, they've told me I can just leave when I'm ready. But I thoroughly enjoyed it from the moment I got there. They were so friendly. The youngsters were good. Having grandchildren of that sort of age, 20-ish, it was wonderful. And then there was people my age that were there as well, so it was wonderful.
Thanks.
Really enjoyed it.
Oh, great. And what advice would you give to someone who is thinking of getting involved in Half-Life?
Go for it. Go for it, because it's just another something you've done in your life that perhaps you wouldn't have done.
Great.
So.
Thank you. What do you think you've learnt or gained from being in part of Half-Life?
That you can do things that you thought you'd never be able to do. I've done it and I loved it, so go for it.
Great.